name is Ikoya. I'm the creator and founder of Silky Sacks, and I'm here today to do a review of this Outre Odessa wig. But before we get into that, there's a few things I'm going to ask you to do. If this is your first time coming to Silky Sacks, I want to say welcome and thank you so much. Here we do wig reviews, hair tips, hair tutorials, and product reviews, usually on Mondays and Fridays. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. Why not? It is free. And if you're watching over on Facebook, we love you over on the FB too. Go ahead and give this video a like and a share. And on both platforms, let's have a discussion. Talk about this wig in the comments with me, right? Let me know, what do you think of Odessa? Do you like the color? Are you liking the style? Are you not liking it? Let's talk about it. So we know how important it is to get the most out of your wigs. Synthetic wigs are getting more and more expensive, as well as human hair wigs, and so we want to get the most out of our wigs. So here at Silky Sacks, we have put together a free PDF called 5 Things That You're Doing That Is Destroying Your Wig. The link to it is down in the description box. It is free. Go ahead and download it. See if you're doing these 5 things and you want to stop it immediately so that you can make your wigs last longer. Now, finally, I know what you're thinking. It is not Monday, Ikoya. It is not Friday, Ikoya. What are you doing? I am doing a collaboration with some of my fellow wig YouTubers, wig sisters. We are coming today to show you wigs that you can rock for this fall season. I'm collaborating with none other than Miss Kamira Jules, Uniquely Vicky, Pain Diva Warrior, and Miss Shy Lark MC. I'm going to put the link to all of their channels down in the description box. Go see what videos and what hair that they are rocking for the fall season soon as you're done with this, and let them know that Silky Sacks sent you. I'm excited to be doing a collab. So now, without further ado, let's get into why you clicked this video. Let's talk about Outre Odessa. So this is Odessa. She is a HD lace synthetic wig. She comes in a few different colors. I am rocking her in the chocolate covered honey. She is pre-plucked with baby hairs. I didn't use that. I also shifted her to the right because I'm a righty, but she you know, can be worn as a center or left part if you're into that. She comes in, you know, like I said earlier, some really cute specialty colors. What I love about this wig is the crimps or the wave pattern. This is super on trend, you guys, for fall. This look is becoming extremely popular. There's a lot of units that have come out with these crimps and these curls. If you like longer lengths, there's some that have longer. If you like shorter lengths, there's bobs. I like this length that's in between. It's hitting me right above my breast, so I'm about 5'3". I would say this unit is probably on me, I would say maybe a good 20 inches. She is heat friendly, and you guys, for me, she was an easy throw on and go. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the review. You will see the unboxing of the wig and then how I styled it, and stay to the end so that you can see my final thoughts and the results of Miss Odessa. All right, so here is Odessa. Let's go ahead and open her up. All right, so here is Odessa. She is like a brown, and then underneath she has those beautiful honey highlights, and then you can kind of see it throughout. Of course, that beautiful wave pattern. The hair is really soft. It's more of a silkier texture, not super silky, but more silky than yaki for sure. Got that right side part because I'm a righty. Let's go ahead and get into this cap. One comb in the back with the 2 adjustable straps on the side. The cap is closed, which is nicer for the colder months, you know, keep you warmer. And then in the front, we have the part and 2 combs to the side. So let's go ahead and put Odessa on. There's the lace, and she does have baby hairs, so. So here she is on. Very pretty, you guys. I love the waves, and I'm not getting a lot of shedding, a little tangling, but not a lot of shedding. But tangling, I'm not surprised. This is a longer synthetic wig. So let's go ahead and get into that 360. So here is Odessa in the front. This is Odessa to the right. This is Odessa to the left. And Odessa in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of Odessa, styler, and come back on and give you my pros and cons and final thought. Okay, you guys, I am back from styling Odessa, and I must say Odessa is an easy throw on and go, you guys. So let's get into it. So the first thing I did is I went ahead and cut the lace off. Now, even though this is an HD lace unit, because of the parting here and because the way it's styled, I didn't really have to put any lace tint in the cap. Now, you're welcome to do that if you would like. I did not have to do that, so I think that was a really great thing and a selling point for this wig. So I just went ahead, cut the lace off, and put her on. Now, I am out of mousse, so I did use my spray bottle with my water, sprayed a little water into her just to help with some of the frizzies that was in the hair, and just to help it to relax and tame it a little bit. And then I went ahead and finger combed it through because of the crimps or the waves. I didn't want to really mess with it too much and manipulate it too much and make it even frizzier. So I combed through with my hair. I did get a lot of shedding for this to be a darker colored wig. Even though it's colored, I still did get a lot of shedding. So if shedding bothers you, you may not want to get this unit because there was some shedding with Odessa. Then after I sprayed the water in and finger combed my hands through, excuse me, then I went in with my wax stick and just rubbed it at the top and the crown, especially on the sides where the baby hair is, since I didn't lay the baby hair, to put them back into the wig, as well as keeping the frizzes and frays off of my lipstick and off of my lashes. Went in with my wax stick to cover that, and then I took the Fit Me powder to just open up this part a little bit more and rub that in the part to open it up, because to me, even though it says it's open, I didn't think it was really open and defined. So opened it up, and that was it, you guys. I mean, it was like that. It was so quick. So I love this wig. I think this wig is super on trend for fall. These crimp wavy looks is super duper popular. HD lace is really popular with synthetic wigs, even though I don't agree with the fact that they're saying it's HD lace. But this one is an easier one to blend down. I think Outre did a beautiful job with the coloring on this unit as well. So for me, I definitely think it's a throw on and go. And then another thing that you can do with this wig, because this is huge on trend for fall as well, is add a headband, or you can add a head wrap. So I am loving this unit, and when I take this off, I'm not going to put Odessa back into the plastic that she came out of. I'm going to place her back in my luxurious Silky sack. A Silky sack is a silk lined bag that I designed to not only store your wigs, but to add longevity to them. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide, cutting down on the shedding, tangling, and matting that it would do normally. So if you would like to check out Silky sacks and some of our other hair products, I will put the link to our website down below. Make sure you go out and check out the other ladies' videos now. Kamira's going to be rocking something. Miss Diva Pain Warrior is going to be rocking something. Uniquely Vicky is going to be rocking something. And of course, Miss Shylark MC. They're all beautiful wig slayers, and they are going to be rocking some good fall units. So make sure you go check them out as well. Thank you so much for watching. As always, better care is better wear, and I hope to see you on Monday.